Hello, children. Our today's topic is pottery. Aims of the lesson to make the children aware of the art of pottery, to know about different things made of clay and its uses. A brief background about pottery. Pottery are functional and decorative objects made from clay and fired at high temperatures. Pottery is divided into three types: earthenware or terracotta, stoneware, and porcelainware. Types and materials: earthenware, stoneware, and porcelainware. Earthenware objects are formed when surface shales and clay are fired at low temperature. Stoneware objects are made from fine clay fired at higher temperature. Porcelainware objects are made from a mixture of kaolin and feldspar and fired at very high temperature. Now let's start about the process of making clay objects. Preparing the material, working with clay, drying, firing, cooling, and then decorating and glazing the objects. The first step of making clay objects is coring the clay from the soil. The second step is cleaning or separating from the sediments. The third step is drying to a dough like consistency. The fourth step is mixing in proper proportions. The fifth step is kneading the clay like a dough. When the clay dough is ready, we need to make it in a slab form. After that, coiling can be used to make objects. The next step is modeling or shaping the objects. To give shape, we can use the process of hand modeling or anvil and paddle method. We can also use the method of cradling. Clay objects can also be made by using molds and using the process of molding. After the process of molding, the process of drying is carried out. After the process of drying, the objects are put in a kiln for hardening and then they are cooled and decorated. Decorating and glazing is done once the objects are ready. This is how a finished product will look. Uses of clay objects. In villages, food is cooked in earthen pots and water is stored in matkas. People drink tea in earthen pots called kulhars. Curd is set in earthen kundis. Many decorative items and idols of God are made from clay. During Diwali, diyas are made from clay. Thank you for watching the video and I hope the concept is clear to you.